Okay, for this video, I'm going to answer a question based on the laboratory topic, which is the server-side and client-side scripting fundamental. So first question is, what is the key differences between the client-side and server-side scripting? So based on my code here, so the server-side scripting or the PHP runs before the page reaches the browser. So basically, this PHP code here is execute on the server, the Apache, and it generates the pure HTML plus the JavaScript output that browser will receive. So lastly, uh, the browser never sees the PHP code, only the result. So that's all. For the next question here, um, why is PHP execute before JavaScript in example? Um, so so basically, um, so um, so the PHP runs first because um, in the file in in my file, so we have this line code here inside my code that let's see here, yes, and then for this line of work PHP, so it runs first so it can replace the PHP here, echo here. So um so the PHP run on the server because it execute also generates the output, and the JavaScript runs on the client to browser. And lastly, um, what would happen if Apache or the server, the PHP server is turned off? So if we are going to stop the Apache, what will happen? Let's stop. As you can see, um, there is no result or um, output that shows in this web because the Apache is the server that execute execute the PHP code. So um, so if the Apache is turned off, so there is no server to process uh, process the PHP. So the browser cannot run it. So that's all for this laboratory.